much here, driving into another dust storm in Arizona. Just can't get enough of these things apparently. Oh, it's starting to rain now. Wonderful. Probably not the smartest idea for me to drive and film at the same time, but what's the harm? Anyways, I worry that my truck is the color of dirt, so that nobody will see me while we're driving through this. For some reason on the camera it looks a lot clearer than it actually is. The visibility isn't wonderful. It's not horrible. It's not as, I mean, I've seen it a lot worse, but it's not great right now. But yeah, fun with dust storms in Arizona. Or as the Arizonians like to call them, haboobs. I don't know. Alright, have fun, be safe out there, everyone in dust storm land, haboob land.